Hi, I'm Dan DeFulvio with Hero Managed Services. If your business is in Tampa and your technology feels more like a burden than a benefit, you're not alone. Many local companies are realizing that strategic IT consulting isn't just about fixing problems. It's about using technology to grow smarter, faster, and more securely. In Tampa Bay, businesses face constant tech changes, cloud migrations, cybersecurity threats, and growing compliance demands. Without a clear roadmap, it's easy to overspend or underperform. That's where Heroes IT Consulting comes in. We help local businesses make technology decisions that actually support their goals, not work against them. Most IT issues come down to one thing: no plan. Hero creates customized IT strategies designed to align with your operations, budget, and growth. Our consultants assess your entire environment, from servers to security policies, to identify what's slowing you down and where you can improve efficiency. Cybersecurity is a huge concern for Tampa businesses. We take a proactive approach, evaluating risks, implementing layered protections, and ensuring compliance with standards like HIPAA and SOC 2. With Heroes IT Consulting, you get peace of mind knowing your data is protected and your business is compliant. If your systems are outdated or slowing productivity, Hero helps you modernize. We specialize in cloud consulting and digital transformation, guiding Tampa businesses through migrations to Microsoft 365, Azure, and hybrid environments. The result is more flexibility, better collaboration, and reduced IT headaches. Our consultants live and work right here in Tampa Bay. We understand the local market, the industries, and the challenges unique to this area. When you call Hero, you're working with people who care about your success, not a remote support team halfway across the country. We work with a wide range of industries, from healthcare and law firms to construction and professional services. Each has different compliance requirements, workflows, and priorities. Hero IT Consulting adapts to your specific business, ensuring your technology strengthens, not complicates, your operations. Even small businesses can benefit from IT consulting. In fact, many of our Tampa clients save money by preventing downtime and eliminating inefficiencies. We make enterprise level expertise affordable and accessible, giving smaller teams the same advantages large corporations enjoy. Every project begins with a clear, actionable IT roadmap. Hero analyzes your current setup, identifies gaps, and builds a step by step plan for improvement. This roadmap becomes your technology blueprint, helping you budget smarter, operate more efficiently, and prepare for future growth. What sets Hero apart is how personal we make it. We don't just hand you recommendations and walk away. We partner with you, providing ongoing consulting, strategy sessions, and hands on support. Our mission is to turn your technology into one of your strongest business assets. Working with Hero means you're not just hiring a consultant, you're gaining a trusted technology partner who's invested in your success. We believe in proactive service, transparent communication, and measurable results that drive your business forward. If you're ready to take control of your IT, let's talk. Schedule your free IT and cybersecurity consultation today and see how Hero can help your business run smoother, safer, and smarter. Click the link below and start building your personalized IT roadmap with Tampa's trusted consulting experts.